This is how payroll works in EasyHR. You can view the payroll processing month, total earnings, total deductions, and the total cost of payroll for each employee. This is the payroll module. When you click on New Payroll, you can proceed by filling in the criteria and selecting the company. Here, you can check if there is any remaining leave or attendance that needs to be approved for each employee. You can check new joiners, exits, bonuses, and salary revisions. You can process salary revisions and bonuses here, as well as approve or deny reimbursements and claims. You'll find variable pay and salary, along with an arrears section where any additional pay is displayed. You also have the option to override PT and PF. Here, you'll find variable pay and salary components. You can also see the arrears section, where any additional payments are displayed, and you have the option to override PT and PF. After completing all these steps, you proceed to the dry run stage, where the system verifies that all required actions have been taken. Then you can review and finalize it, and with that, you can release the payslip. Thank you.